A very good morning, my dears. Welcome back to Maths online class. In the previous class, we had started time chapter. Today, we will discuss in the chapter of time AM, PM, and 24 hours time. Today, we will discuss. Get ready, my dears. Before going this class, watch this video. This is clock. This is having two hands. First one is shorter hand and next one is longer hand. Here, shorter hand is mentioned hours. Longer hand is mentioned minutes. A day has 24 hours. It shorter hand moves 2 times, that is 24 hours. If it is moving 1 time, that is 12 hours. Longer hand, minutes hand moves fastly. Minutes hand moves fastly and hours hand moves slowly. Today, we will discuss how to read time. Here, hours hand is there in 5, minutes hand is there in 12. So, now time is 5 o'clock. We have to write this time 5:00. Next, here little past 4. Hours hand is next. Minutes hand is in 6. So here half past 4. We read as half past 4 and we write as 4:30. Next, hours hand is there in 10 past. Next, minutes hand is in 3. So, quarter past 10. Here, time is quarter past 10. Read as 10:15. 10:155. Next, hours hand is there in 10. Minutes hand is there in 9. Here, time is quarter to 10. Write as 9:45. 9:45. This like we have to find the time. Next, hours hand is there in 2. Minutes hand is there in 12. So here time is 2 o'clock. Write as 2:00. Next, minutes hand is there in 3. Hours hand is there in 2. Here time is 2:15. 2:15. Write as 2:15. 2:15. 2:15. 2:15. Next, here hours hand is there, little move from 2. Next, hours hand, minutes hand is in 6. So here time is 2:30. Write as 2:30. 2:30. 2:30. Next, hours hand is here in 2. Next, minutes hand is in 9. Okay, quarter to 2. Here, quarter to 2. 1:45 or 1:45. Everyone open your textbook page number 126. What goes in the gaps? The first one is done. Here given one clock. This clock shows quarter past 6. Past means it was already happened. So 6:15, quarter past 6. Actual time is, this is the same as 6. 3 5s are 15. 6:15 or quarter past 6, both are correct. Okay, 6:15, quarter past 6. Next, second one. This clock is shown here. Hour's hand is in 5 to 6 between, and minutes hand is in 5. So this clock shows 25 past 5. 25 past 5. This is the same as 5:25. 5:25. 5:25. Okay. Next, third one. This clock shows hour's hand is in 1, very near to 1. Next, minutes hand is in 9. This is read as 9 5s are 45. 12:45 or quarter to 1. Quarter to 1. Okay. If it is already completed before 3, that is quarter past. Less than, here 15 minutes is the remaining. So that's why this is quarter to 1. This clock shows quarter to 1. This is the same as above. 12:45. 9 5s are 45. 12:45. Fourth one is right in your homework book. Okay, fourth one is homework. Which digital time in the box shows the same as the clock? Here, hour's hand is between 2, 12, 1, and minutes hand is 5. So 12, 5 5s are 25. So time here 12:25. So is there 12:25? Yes. This is clock 1's time. Okay. First clock time this is. Next, second clock. Hour's hand in between 5 to 6, and minutes hand is there in 9. 9 5s are 45. So time is 5:45. Is there here 45? Yes. This is the second clock's time. Next, hour's hand is in 4. Minutes hand is in 11. 11 means 55. So in between 3 to 4, if it is coming to 12, then time is 4. Here 3:55. 3:55 is there? Yes, this is third one. Next, hour's hand in between 7 to 8. Short hand, hour's hand in between 7 to 8. And minutes hand is 7. 7 5s are how much? 35. Okay, 35. 7:35. This is 4 clock's time. Okay. Next, did you know, children, AM? AM is in the morning time, anti-meridian. AM is anti-meridian. PM is afternoon. We are using PM, afternoon. Afternoon 12:30 to midnight 12. Okay. Next, AM is morning. PM is afternoon or evening. AM means anti-meridian. PM means post-meridian. Okay. Look here. Write down that what time it is using AM or PM. Here stars also there. So this is AM or PM? PM. Here PM. This is which already clock given. 11 o'clock is there in school time. So I think what time it is, AM or PM? AM, anti-meridian. Next, here night show. Night show means PM. Okay. Next, look here, children. Here sunlight is there. Next, time is 7:45. So time is AM because sunlight in the morning time only, no? and time is 8 o'clock, 8 quarter to 8, that's why here am. At schools, in our homes is only 12 hours time, but sometimes we have seen 24 hours time. Where it is still, where it is, it is railway stations, airports, like that. 24 hours. What is the difference between 12 hours and 24 hours? Here 12 to 12, midnight to noon, and 12 to 12, noon to midnight. This is am. 12 to 12, midnight 12 to afternoon 12 is am. Next, afternoon to midnight pm. 12 plus 12, 24. This is a 12 hours clock. This is 24 hours clock. Look here, carefully look here. 12 to 12, 12 to 12 am. Next 12 pm. So when we write show for 24 hours time, 4 digits only always shown, 4 digits. Sometimes we did not write dots also. Okay, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each number having 4 digits. Remember this. This is 24 hours time. This is 12 hours time. 12 hours time only digits mentioned digit. Next 24 hours time mention 4 digits. Sometimes in between points is there. Sometimes no need to write points. Okay. Look here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Up to 1 to 11 same as like that. After 12, 12 after what will come? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. This is 24 hours time. Okay. Look here, 1 pm means 13, 1300. 6 pm means 1800. 9 am means if it is 12 hours time, write in 24 hours time 0900. Okay. 10 pm means 2200. This like we have to convert into 12 hours time to 24 hours time. Okay. Everyone open your textbook 127. First Roman, write these times as 24 hours time. First, when you write this, you have to draw this line, Nana. Very easy to write. Okay? Draw this line. 12 hours time, 24 hours time you can draw. Then you have to find out. Okay? Here asking 6 pm. 6 pm. 6 pm means this is am. pm. 6 pm means 1800. Okay, 1800. Next 12:05 am. 12:05 am. So 12:05 only we have to write. Okay, because am no, so no change. Next 12 pm. 12 pm means look here, 12 pm. 12 pm means 24 00, because 24 hours time you have to write 4 digits, no, that's why. Next 11 am. 11 am means morning only, no, am. 11 am, 11 only coming, 11 to 11 am. So 11 am. Then 2 pm. Here look here, this table, 2 pm. 2 pm means 1400. 14. Here am only, Nana, sorry, here am. So 2 only we have to write, 0200. Why? Because we have to write here, because 24 hours time having 4 digits. When we write 0 after 2, that is 20. So before 0 only you have to write. Okay, 2 a means 0 to 0 0. 9:45 p.m. Check out here 9:45. 9 after 45. 20:45 p.m. 20:45 p.m. Okay, next 4:15 p.m. 4 after 15. 4 means 16. Okay, 4 means 16. 16, 15 minutes. Okay, 8th one 11:14 p.m. 10:20 a.m. 11:14 means 11:14. 23. 11:14 means 11 after 14 minutes. 11, what is there in before after 11? 23. 23, 14. Next 10:20 a.m. There is no changes at all. a.m. Okay, actually you have to write same 10:20. Okay, this like we have to find out 12 hours time into 24 hours time. Okay, now everybody open your textbook page number 128, Roman number 1. These clocks show the start and end times of some TV programs. How long was each? Here given some TV programs timings, starting time, ending time. How long watch each program? You have to write. Okay, first one start 7 o'clock start, first program is, and end program is 7:30. 7 o'clock 7:30. What is the difference in this between two? 7:30 minus 7 o'clock. What is the difference between these two? 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes duration is there in this program. Okay, second one. Second program is started at 8 o'clock, closed it 10 to 9 or 8:50. Okay, 8:50. So 8:50 minus 8 o'clock. How long it's been going on this program? 50 minutes. Okay, 50 minutes here, 30 minutes. Next, third program 3:05. Third program is started from 3 o'clock 3:05. Second program is up to 3:55. 3:55. So 3:55 minus 3:05. What is the time duration in this between two? Okay, 5:50. 50 minutes. Duration is 50 minutes. The duration in these two clocks is 50 minutes. Next, fourth one. Hours hand is in 1, minutes hand is in 3. So time here 1:15. This fourth program started from 1:15. 1:15. Then second clock is 1:55. So what is the duration between these two clocks? What is the TV program time? Duration between two clocks 1:55 minus 1:15. Now subtract it. 40 minutes. Duration is 40 minutes. Okay, this like we have to find out, Nana. Everybody must and should write your homework and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay.